So, working on rolling over with the baby. I've been breastfeeding, and literally I've taken the first exercise from the rolling over course, and I've just been working on her hips. That's what, when I do a movement lesson, when I first started learning it, I would watch YouTube videos and hear Michelle say, you could do this for 30 minutes and magic would happen. And I'm like, well, okay, I'll try it. And so that's what I did. I just would see her do like one hand movement, and I'm like, okay, let me try that for 30 minutes. And I just found by doing that, I was actually able to start picking up like the technique and actually feeling like I was having success. And it's taken time to like get the feel, because this modality is developing a feel for what you're doing. But that was just, night and day difference as far as being able to have success in learning movement lesson is, take 30 minutes on one exercise and just do it in all different directions. She's been eating, she's been sitting up, she's been standing up, and I've really just been focusing on the hips. I was doing that yesterday too, and she actually did get rolled over to her side. She still back arches quite a bit, but we're working with that. And so now I'm just going through the rolling over course with her. And so I hope that's a tip that helps. And if you want more home application tips, get in the support program. If you really want to hit this hard and have higher intensity, get into the Worried Parent Support Program. Get in the Worried Parent Starter Kit. And, I start teaching you the shortcuts of movement lesson to learn this faster. So if you have any questions in the comments, exercise you're struggling with, let me know, and we'd love to help you. Thanks.